You sent me this one about Tesla. So Tesla has slashed its used car warranty, which I was unaware they had such a comprehensive used car warranty. But apparently Tesla's been cutting back a little bit, or at least streamlining or trimming down its approach. They recently got rid of their 7-day return policy. They had a no questions asked. You don't like the car, just say no.
Try it before you buy kind of situation?
Almost. I mean, a no questions asked return policy on a really expensive car like that seems really risky, but they actually had it. And so a lot of people, Tesla owners, they would love to talk about it because they'd say, name another car manufacturer going to let you do that.
Yeah, there's confidence there.
They could say Tesla's the best. They'll let you try it for 7 days because they know you'll keep it.
Yeah.
But as well, at the same time, I feel maybe in the early days of Tesla where it felt like a real privilege to have one of those before you saw them all over the streets, then that would have been a point of pride. Whereas years later, these cars are mostly the same, and you can see a lot of people taking a 7-day joyride. So they don't want that either. But anyway, they recently canceled that. Then they do this. And so you got websites like Electrek that are a little bit critical of these decisions, only because they've been perks, not because they're an industry expectation, but because they have been perks. They previously had a 2 to 4 year warranty on used Model S's and Model X's. 2 to 4 years warranty is kind of unheard of in the business on a used car coming from the original maker.
Yes.
Not an extra. And it was whichever came first, 4 years or 50,000 miles, to be clear. So you couldn't just do some unlimited miles on it. But anyway, they updated it now. It's simply 1 year. Instead of getting a 2 to 4 year warranty, you now get 1 year or 10,000 miles. That's compared to up to 4 years, 50,000 miles. And again, this is on used vehicles, and this warranty starts after the initial vehicle purchase warranty has expired. So I don't know how much Tesla fans care about this, but in the EV space, obviously Tesla gets the majority of the attention, and in many ways they kind of set the trends.
Yes.
And in many ways they were kind of bucking the traditional automaker trend by doing these kind of absurd, unusual things like a 7-day trial. And so they lose some of their some of the novelty.
Yeah.
In removing these programs. However, again, I think it's important to note that it's not like other automakers are letting you do this, and it may have been on the plans from the very beginning that, hey, we can't do this forever.
Yeah.
But as a sort of marketing component to get the vehicle out there when we need to. But anyway, yeah, so that's a change for Teslas.